welcome. I'm Jess Campmans, guided by Equus, and I'm here with Karma and your Horse Wisdom insights for the week of October 26th. Coming over to these horses, Karma the last few days has been standing at the edge of the fence in this pasture where they're located, always looking towards home. And often the rest of the herd will be somewhere else, and she's just been standing here for the last few days, focused to the east, and which is where the home farm for us is. And I didn't put that connection to the east, which is new beginnings and our vision. I didn't make that link until just now. But what I got as a wanting to share around the energy of this week, I guess, is that idea of something that's really beckoning to us, calling us home, calling us to really remember and reconnect to, I guess, what I would call like this deep vision that we've had for ourselves for probably most of our life. And this week, it feels like it's really kind of coming to the surface in a way that is almost like helping us burst through from kind of our old way of being into just coming home to ourselves, just being able to be ourselves, and whatever that means, and whatever you're inspired by, and whatever it is, that thing that you really want to do with yourself or be part of. All of this is kind of rising in our awareness and will be very experiential this week to help us recognize and remember and reignite that flame of desire, that internal passion for whatever it is that we want to do and be and experience in our life. And it feels really motivating too. So if you find yourself wanting to go on little mini adventures, and whatever that means, this week, take the opportunity and the time to follow your heart's desire, and wherever it is calling you to step forward into or to adventure into, to follow that this week. Because it will, by doing that, it's like it will be all these little steps that you'll start to remember and realize this piece that you felt like you've kind of been missing the whole time. And so just taking a breath on that, and Summer's kind of joining me here now. And her soul wisdom is to align. And so it's like this week, as we wrap up October and move into November, also with the spirit world and Halloween and the Day of the Dead, and recognizing and honoring those who are part of our life and this experience, but no longer embodied, they are really assisting us this week too. And in order to really support you guys more in that too, I'm offering it's called Journey Between Worlds, and it's coming up this Saturday. It's a live virtual experience. So you join me on Zoom, and we will dive deep into becoming a bridge for both worlds through our soul connection, so that we can better heal our own ancestral lineage, as well as connect to the spirit world in a way that creates less division, is the words that's coming in. And so it's like having a community or a communion with the spirit world in a way that is honoring, which also helps heal generations, your connection to the animals, to nature, to the earth, to everything that is part of your life, that is always available to you when we learn to become that bridge and communicate and be in relationship with all aspects of who we are, so both seen and unseen. So I will put the link to find out more about that. It's about a 2 or 3 hour is kind of what I'm feeling like it's going to turn into experience that I would love for you guys to join myself and the horses in. will be safely traveling between these worlds and doing so in a way that is honoring and respectful of all who join us. So again, that's the Journey Between Worlds coming up this Saturday, October 31st at 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And even just that puts a smile on my face, because I feel like this is part of my own piece of the puzzle that I've kind of been working into, or it's been on the fringes of my awareness and really is rising into becoming more and more of this. So with that, Summer's telling me that this video is over. Just recognize what that means and feels like to you as you're watching this video, and then notice what arises, what experiences and situations arise for you this week that are helping you to reconnect with that. So much love from myself and the horses and karma, and I look forward to where this all brings us into the month of November.